There's Camilla and Dominic.
Say hi.
Flying home from Hilo. I know this will probably make everyone sick, but it's a great way to see it.
Paints and all.
Yeah. Should be a remember when.